Hi, I'm Bonnie, and I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by and welcome to my blog. The purpose of my blog is to open the door to my world as I share and take my journey to financial freedom, seeking knowledge and resources of how to promote myself, my service, and my products online. I know it's easy to be overwhelmed and find how much information and hype and scams there is online. So I just wanted you to know that I was a real person so that you could get to know me, see who I am, and decide whether or not you want to do business with me. I'm reaching out to you to let you know that I would like you to share with me and join on this current online global movement. So feel free to give me your name and email. Join me in any of my social media sites, and I'll be including links to lots of free and valuable information to help you promote yourself and your business online. So once again, thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to getting to know you. Take care. Thank you.